what I do is I cut it up into smaller pieces to get it for the machine. And that way, if I don't do that, it's gonna damage the machine.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing right
See
now.
how we do everything manually? Alright. Now this used to be our main crop before bananas. Our main crop. But we still grow it, but however we still have just like with the bananas, we have a bigger market scale for the bananas. We get more money out of the bananas. Alright. Now what it does is that's why he's gonna show you how he squeezes the juice. That's the machine that they use. Put the cane in there, squeeze it up. He actually strains it in the bucket, and he'll bottle it for you in like bottles. And that's where you get the sugarcane juice. He doesn't mix it with water or sugar or nothing. Straight out of the sugarcane. So we're gonna have it in the bottle, or we're gonna cut it up for you, or we're gonna chew it and get the juice out of it. All right.